Hello friends, what am I doing today? I'll show you. Come on. I'm going to be painting my hood. My lovely 90s regulated water paint for all motor companies where paint did not hold up to weather conditions. So I am going to be sanding and painting this down. Okay, tools for the job. Got me some sandpaper, 180, 120, 220, and 330. See how that goes. And then I've had some extra sandpaper, 600. Mostly used for after primer. And then, call me old school, I've got a sanding block here, which paper will just go over. And then tack cloth in between sanding primer. And then I got Dupli-Color Premier primer paint in white. And then the code, paint code, and had paint made, the original stock paint, which probably won't match perfect because of the age of the vehicle, but close enough. And then I've got masking tape and contractor's paper, so we don't accidentally paint something that we don't want to paint. Roughly, I think I've got maybe $100 into this, maybe. First we're gonna wash. Get any film or dirt off before sanding. Okay, been working on this for over an hour. Started out with 400, then 220, and then some areas I had to get down to the metal because of it was rusted so bad. So I used 120. But it's a matter of feathering off. Look at that. Still got more sanding to do. It just comes right off. But I feathered all this out. A little fly over here. This side, not as bad as the other side. Now I'm going to mask everything off and do some primer. Before primer, I use a tack cloth to get all debris off. Okay, I've got 3 coats of primer. Starting to look like a hood again. Now I just gotta do some sanding and the Dodge paint. After primer, I'm using a 600 grit sandpaper. Before paint, one more go around with the Tack Cloth. Okay, here we go. Here's my color code right here. Chrysler, bright white. Okay, day 2. I had to stop and get some extra white. I was low, it needed more, as you can see. Sorry for the shadow, but that's actually 3 coats now that I have on here. Looks pretty good. I got a little corner here that I wish I would have sanded better, but overall, looks good. Next is clear coat. Okay, highly recommended 2K clear coat. Here's your numbers. And so shake well for 2 minutes, flip it over. In between, I'm going to take this cap right here, puncture that, and that mixes the clear point. Let's get started. Tack Cloth one more time. Okay, after almost 2 to 3 coats, of clear coat. That's what we're looking at. Got a pretty decent shine. Some little flaws here and there, but overall looks like a good match.